journey. With that in mind, I wrote a poem for her. My angel sleeps and reawakens so strong. She is beautiful and stands out against the throng. Her soul and faith make her fly so high. I am the luckiest man in the world, she did not pass me by. Together we will have an exciting new life. I am blessed and honoured that she will be my wife. Sarbona, I shall say to her every day for sure. I am so proud of my angel, her heart is so pure. I think back to that day when I met my African queen. I realise now why we were brought together. God was keen. A love story was written in South Africa that will last forever. We will work so hard to achieve as our souls were drawn together. Our lives have been forged by God and will not fall. We are doing things our way. Destiny is all.